So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you get full use of design.md file in Stitch. Since design.md file is a very crucial file for making designs in Stitch, so we will just see how you can efficiently use it. But before going to our browser part, let's just have a brief info about what Stitch actually is. Okay, so Stitch, what is Stitch? It is a AI tool made by Google for designing apps with AI. Here you can give inputs from voice or either website references, and this can generate frames instantly. This is the simple workflow of how a Stitch app works. You have to submit a prompt, then this will build the design system on its own. Then it will generate screens. Then you can export it to either Figma or production code. Now, what's design.md? Design.md is a markdown file which can be uh, which can be helpful in editing colors, fonts, and corner radius, and much more. Also, in design.md file, we can give website references like tell Stitch like you have to make website like this one. So, firstly, let's move in our browser now and open Stitch. We will just click on the first link, and here you can see that there are many projects which I already had. Now, if I ask Stitch to like first let's select these frames, and then you can see this option that is design.md. You can just click here and change the color pattern, like color palette. If you want in this color pattern, then you can just click on this and click apply to selection. By the way, this color looks like so awful, but this is just for the testing purpose. Within some seconds it will apply this color palette to the entire screens which we have selected. So yeah, that's actually not that bad as I thought of. Okay, so now what we can do is we can just go in here again, and we will just click on design.md again, and we will start with our new design. Add more pages and more functionality. Okay, you can either drop a design.md file from here also, or either a Figma file. If you have a GitHub repo, then you can also use that. Then, if you have an example website like some reference website, then you can just provide the URL here. For now, I will be clicking on just continue button. Yeah, it also asked me what kind of page do I like to add. So after that, it is now started generating screens. Now this is generating a, you can say, a checkout screen. Now here you can see that this is also almost done. Now if I want to add one more page, then we can also do that. Also, if you want to give some commands in parallel, you can also do that. Okay, let me just go upside, not this one. Yeah, this one. I will just select all these screens, and we'll just click here to get the design.md for these. Then just click on design.md. Now you can see the colors used here when you will click on this button. So yeah, that's the pretty much basic work of this design.md file. So I hope you have understood like what you can exactly do with this design.md. If you know like what customizations do you actually need, then this file is very helpful for you. So by this, let's end this video. So let's see you guys in the next video.